Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and just want to say this is not a review. My review is coming up, and I will actually be showing you the real machine and talking about the ports and what it has inside. So I have purchased exactly 1 week ago a Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Now be careful because there's a lot of variants of the Nitro 5 gaming laptop, and some people are unhappy with a specific one that I'll be talking about in this video. So I purchased mine with a Core i5 9th generation Intel CPU. That's the latest Core i5 Intel CPU you can have on the market. It has a GTX 1050 graphics adapter from Nvidia. It has a 512 GB SSD and a 1 TB regular hard drive. So in performance on my machine, and of course, like I said, reviews coming up later in about a week. I'll wait before I use it a couple of weeks before I really talk about it. First thing that I did was upgrade the operating system because it was on the October 2019 update. I upgraded to the May 2019 update, doing a clean install, removing all the crap that comes with the computer, because like every brand computer, it comes with crap and trials of software and stuff. So I removed everything and reinstalled flawlessly with the basically with the May 2019 update. So what are my first impressions? My first impressions are really good. It's a great machine. I actually started playing a game on that I purchased on Electronic Arts Origin, which is Sea of Solitude, which I really like. And I've been playing graphic demos and all sorts of tests and things to kind of see how it performs, and it actually performs very well. It's a very fast machine. It does what it needs to do really well. I love the keyboard and the fact that it's illuminated, so at night you can actually see what you're typing rather than be in the dark. Touchpad, trackpad, not the best. It's a little awkward, but it's a new computer. It's like a new car, a new bike. You need to kind of get used to it. The keyboard is nice because I was used to a Toshiba laptop that had a crappy keyboard. And I gotta say, the only part that I hated about my old Toshiba laptop was the keyboard, because the rest of the machine was a great machine. It performs really well, it's fast, and the screen is beautiful, 15.6-inch screen. Of course, it has all the ports that you need, including one USB-C, including a HDMI out. It has USB 3 ports. It has one, because it has dual M.2 slots for the SSD. So if I wanted to add another SSD, I could actually. So it is a great laptop, and the first impressions for the first week of use are good. Now, a lot of you out there might say, I got this and it's crappy and it's slow, which is the first comment that I've seen almost everywhere. That comment comes back all the time. But the problem is, everybody that mentioned that has purchased the cheapest version of it. The cheapest version doesn't have an SSD. And because of that, the performance of the machine when you're just on a regular hard drive is crappy, because disk usage, when it gets close to 100%, slows down the machine. So almost everybody that's unhappy purchased the cheapest one, which is always the problem. People are unhappy with a device, but they always buy the cheapest one, and then they wonder why it's a crappy performance or crappy problems. This one is much more expensive, but it has more RAM also, 16 gigabytes rather than 8. It has an SSD rather than just a regular hard drive. So it actually immediately makes a huge difference in performance. But it adds to the price. It added $600 to the basic price here in Canada. So I purchased this for $1,600, but still very happy. So my full review will be coming up. I'll be showing you the machine itself and kind of talking about what I like and what I don't like as I use it, but for now it's a very positive experience for this particular version. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.